You probably think you're boring, like you've got no personality. And your biggest fear is that moment the teacher says, icebreaker time, then hits you with, tell us a fun fact about yourself. Your mind goes blank and you panic spit out, I like sleep. Why does that happen? When you used to have a whole personality as a kid, back then, you were the chess kid, the Lightning McQueen kid, the I know weird animal facts kid. You were easy to describe. Then you try to fix it by searching online. And what do you get? Be yourself. Believe in yourself. Meditate. Do a 30-day challenge. Somehow, you end up sounding even more generic. So, what actually gives you a personality? It's simpler than you think. But you have to understand one thing first. People don't stand out because they do more. They stand out because they're memorable. Think about the kid who always causes chaos in class. The class clown who turns every project into a comedy show. The guy who's always gambling. The celebrity who's the funny one. The other one who's known for speaking a language badly. What do they all have in common? You can tie them to one clear trait. You hear their name, and your brain instantly goes, oh, that person. That's what a personality feels like from the outside. And no, I'm not telling you to do dumb stuff or get yourself in trouble. The point is the association. Here's the part people miss. Traveling, reading, and trying new hobbies won't automatically make you interesting. Not if you talk about it like it's nothing. You can go on the craziest trip and still describe it like, yeah, it was cool. You can know a ton about politics and economics, but if you sound like you're reading a Wikipedia page, nobody remembers you. So how do you become memorable without faking it? Step one is easy. Pick something you genuinely like. The weirder or more niche, the better. Because the more you care, the more you'll naturally learn, and the more confident you'll sound. And confidence is contagious. It makes people lean in. And then you use that thing as your opener. Not a flex, just a hook. Like imagine you're into cleaning cars. Most people hear that and think, okay, but if you actually know your stuff, it changes. So what do you do for fun? Honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with detailing cars. Like I've got a whole setup, foam cannons, different brushes, wax. It's weirdly satisfying. Oh, how'd you get into that? It started as a time killer. And now I'm the person who notices every water spot on your car. My friends call me the detail demon because I can make any car look brand new. Wait, that's actually sick. Yeah, but if I do your car, I'm warning you, I might reorganize your glove compartment. Same hobby, different delivery. You're not trying to be cool. You're just making it vivid enough that people remember you. And it can be anything. Collecting something, gaming, cooking recipes that either slap or flop, organizing playlists, taking pictures of your cat in dumb outfits. The hobby doesn't matter as much as how you frame it. If you're into photography, don't say, I take pictures. Say, I'm always chasing that perfect golden hour shot and my camera settings make me feel like I'm doing calculus. Now, it's a scene. Now, it sticks. The goal isn't to be the best. It's to know enough and care enough that it turns into a real conversation. Because your personality isn't just what you do, it's how you communicate it. But there's another way to become memorable without spending months building a niche. It's riskier, and it's not for everyone. You show your weird side on purpose. Why? Because predictable is forgettable. Unpredictable, but confident, is magnetic. The catch is you have to be okay with standing out. I remember being in a car with a close friend and two people I just met. A song comes on. And right at the chorus, I randomly scream the lyrics at full volume, like I've lost my mind. No warning, just commitment. The two people in the back started dying laughing. The next day, I found out they'd given me a nickname based on that moment. Was it a little unhinged? Yeah. Did they remember me? Instantly. Here's the truth. People remember weird. And if you own it, it reads as confidence, not cringe. Plus, it breaks tension fast. But what if they think you're strange? Good. That's useful information. They're not your people. And if screaming lyrics isn't your style, make it smaller. Tell a random childhood story you usually keep to yourself. Do a quick impression. Say the honest, slightly offbeat thought you'd normally edit out. The point is to drop the perfect version of you and show the real one. So what's your thing? What's the topic you could talk about for an hour without forcing it? Or what's the weird little side of you that people would instantly associate with you if they were being honest? If you don't know yet, don't overthink it. Pick something, lean into it, and commit long enough for people to feel it. You're not empty. You're just unbranded.